Hi, I'm Margarita. I am Greek Orthodox. A story that comes to mind when I think about my religion and my faith was when I was born. I was born premature by 3 months, and I weighed 1 pound 3 ounces. I was supposed to be born with a lot of birth defects and deformities, but I was not. I was born very healthy. And that is a time that I feel like God and my religion saved me. My whole family calls me the miracle child because it is a miracle that I'm here. Going to church growing up was very different because while a lot of other kids growing up would go to religion classes and stuff like that, I would be going to church and also Greek school and learning the language. So it was very different growing up. Also, I found that people of Catholic or Christian faith don't really dress up to go to church. And for Greek Orthodox, at least my church, we have to dress up and look very formal while we go to church. So I find that is very different growing up. Like, in my religion, you could never really show up to church in jeans and a t-shirt. I, for the most part, have always worn a dress or a skirt to church. As far as our weddings are huge. They're very long. Another tradition of my family is that, and for most Greek Orthodox people, is we attend church at around midnight on Easter, and our Easter usually doesn't fall on normal people's Easter. Sometimes it does. It's very all over the place. We attend church at midnight. Each person has a candle. Usually younger children have candles decorated by their godmothers and godparents, and they bring them to church and light them, and we proceed to pray until I think like 1 a.m. And then we do our cross. We go outside, we do our cross and pray. And then another tradition of ours is after church we go over to my grandma's and we do this thing. I'm pretty sure it's a Greek thing. We dye our eggs red, and we have like an egg war where so 2 people have the eggs, and then one person holds the egg with the tip up and the other one holds it with the tip down, and you hit the tips of the eggs together, and then so you just keep battling each other. Oh, they're hard-boiled. Should have said that. And so whoever loses it is out, and then you keep going, and then whoever wins, it's considered like good luck. Another tradition of ours is for New Year's, my grandma makes a cake and puts a quarter in it, and whoever gets the quarter has good luck for the new year. Growing up, Greek Orthodox was very different in its own ways, but I could still connect with other people outside of my religion and find a lot of similarities because Greek Orthodox is pretty much like Christian, except the only big difference is some of the traditions, and that when I go to church, it's spoken in Greek. Although I cannot understand or speak Greek, I find it a very interesting language. I also find that there are a lot of similarities between Greek Orthodox and the Muslim faith within our weddings, and the food we eat is very similar. We both tend to go very over the top with celebrations. That's my religion, that's my faith.